we write Caprin, it's mean good, yeah, it's mean good, but you should know about the other animal, okay? At least you should know about anatomy of the dog, because this animal, pet animal, you frequent, yeah, you should hand dog more frequent. Okay, we continue. You can see this PowerPoint. Okay,
Yes, so
okay, we to continue. Muscle of the dorsolaterals. Muscle, ya, of the dorsolateral. Ya, please tuliskan ya bahwa kelompok otot, the muscles, ya, muscle group who is tendo sliding at the dorsolateral part of the crus and digiti have action like extensor. Jadi dia punya fungsi sebagai otot ekstensor. Sekali lagi, tendo muscle at the dorsolateral aspect of the crus and digiti. Crus, tibia, tarsal, metatarsal, digiti, palang have extensor action. Ya. First, you should know fibularis or peroneus tertius. This muscle fusiform. Fusiform is mean just like a worm, just like a worm. Yeah, long at the end of the muscle. Tendo of the muscle is long, and then more venter, yeah, in middle, yeah. Tendinous of both its origin and insertius, tendinous, yeah. Fibers causing parallel to the long axis of the leg. You should know about apparatus T in horse. Remember, Dr. Rudy said apparatus T. Ya, apparatus T. This apparatus, this structure, make horse can sleep in stand. Ya, when he stand, saat dia berdiri, ya, dia juga bisa tidur tanpa jatuh. Because this apparatus. Fibularis tertius include one member of the apparatus T. Ya, include. So you look this the fibers, ya, parallel long axis of the leg, ya, parallel. The deep face of this muscle is somewhat concave. Concave, ya, underlying for extensor digitorum longus muscle, ya, extensor digitorum longus muscle. Nah, relationship superficial of the fibularis tertius, we found fascia and skin. So you can imagine this fibularis tertius enveloped by skin. Okay. More caudally or more plantar, we found fibularis longus. This is fibularis longus. Ya. fibularis longus. Okay. And oh yeah, don't forget about patella. Don't forget about this. Patella and tuberculus in here. Ya, remember patella dorsal. Ya, patella dorsal. Oke. Deeply extensor digitorum longus. Remember, intimely, nah ya, intimely adherent to this surface. Ya, melekat erat pada permukaan profundal dari fibularis tertius. And then cranial and profundus ya. Tibialis cranial. Where is tibialis cranial? This is tibialis cranial. Ya. Tibialis cranial. Fibularis longus. Ya, fibularis longus. Maybe you bentar. Oke, please open your Indonesia PowerPoint. Open your Indonesia PowerPoint. Look at the ya. Look at this. This is fibularis tertius, ya. This is fibularis tertius, and this is fibularis tertius, ya. Fibularis tertius. This is fibularis longus. I'm so sorry. I have no time to add this because so many work, ya. But it's okay. You can add this slide to your PowerPoint, okay? Yeah. And then please look at this. Yeah. Please look at this. This is yeah. This is peroneus tertius. Yeah. Peroneus tertius. This muscle, yeah. This muscle extensor digitorum longus. You should remember peroneus tertius concave, profunda of peroneus tertius concave, ya, profunda surface, and attached extensor digitorum longus. Okay, this is fibularis longus, ya, this is fibularis longus, and this part small, ya, small. Look at small, but it's not small, ya, tibialis cranialis, ya, tibialis cranialis. Okay, I'm continue with your PowerPoint. Okay, can see this, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Bisa ya?
okay.
Oke. Fibularis longus ya, fibularis longus. Triangle ship muscle in proximal. Ya, triangle at proximal. Ya, at proximal. Oke, at proximal. Most superficial position of the lateral surface. If you look this scheme, ya, this picture, please be careful. You saw tibia in here? You saw tibia in here? No. That's right. You couldn't show, you cannot show tibia in here. This mean, ya, this mean this scheme lateral view. Please remember this. Ya, lateral view. If you see tibia, so that structure, look at the medial view. Oke, remember. Kalau tidak terlihat tibia, berarti tampak lateral. Tapi kalau terlihat tibia, itu menandakan tampak medial. Oke, patella, dorsal, tuberculus, plantar. Remember, patella dorsal, tuberculus, plantar, tibia, medial. Oke. You look this. Cranial of the fibularis longus, you found fibularis tertius and extensor digitorum longus. Why? In here, tertulis di kranial ada extensor digitorum longus. Why? Kenapa? Why? Kenapa? Just remember, ya. Just remember. This is. Ya. So, extensor digitorum longus, ya, mudahnya dia akan terbungkus, enveloped by fibularis peroneus tertius. And terlihat pada bagian distal. Ya, pada bagian distal. This is extensor digitorum. Maaf. Kok terputus? Ya. Sudah bisa dilihat, Nak? Bisa ya? Ini jadi kotoran. Jadi kotor inimu. Apa namanya? Karena tadi keep ya, jadi nah ya, perhatikan baik-baik. Dia ada posisi extensor digitorum longus terbungkus ya, covered by peroneus tertius. So if you cranially of the peroneus ya, fibularis tertius and extensor digitorum longus. Why? You can answer because extensor digitorum longus covered by fibularis tertius. It means extensor digitorum longus parallel with fibularis tertius. Oke. You understand, ya? Caudally, extensor digitorum lateralis. This is extensor digitorum lateralis. Okay. And flexor digitorum profundus. We continue. Tibialis cranialis. Ya, tibialis cranialis, the base of the extensor group paling dalam. Thin muscle lying on craniolateral side of the tibia, lateral to the cranial border of the tibia. Ya, superficialis of this muscle, extensor digitorum longus. Fibularis longus, and then skin. Ya. How about peroneus tertius? How about peroneus tertius? Why we not talk about superficialis? Superficially tibialis cranial, not peroneus tertius. Kenapa? Kenapa? Ya, look at this. This is and this extensor digitorum longus. Extensor digitorum lateralis. This is tibialis cranialis. But this is peroneus tertius. So it's mean tibialis cranialis justru ada di superficial dari peroneus tertius. Bukan peroneus tertius yang ada di superficial dari tibialis cranialis. Oke? You understand? Ya. View, lateral view, and medial view. Look at this. Tibia. Oke? Tibia. So, this is tibialis cranialis. Ya. This is tibialis cranialis. And in lateral view, at the lateral view, and this is tibialis cranialis at medial view. Ya, oke, you get it? Bisa dimengerti ya?
Iya, betul.
Oke, this is tuberositas tibialis, ya, tuberositas tibialis os tibia. Tuberositas tibialis os tibia. Lateral, medial. Remember, os tibia. You can see the os tibia. Ya, oke, tibia bone. We continue. Deeply tibia. So it's mean tibialis cranialis attached to facies lateral, dorsolateral, ya, of the tibia. Ya. Tendo fibularis tertius, tendo, not muscle. Tendo of muscle. I mean not the venter, ya, not the venter, just tendo. Caudally, extensor digitorum lateralis and flexor digiti 1 longus. Digitorum, extensor digitorum longus. Extensor digitorum longus is a complex extensor of the digits. It is a thin fusiform muscle lying on the craniolateral. Ya, lying on the Craniolateral surface of the leg. Ya. Covered by fibularis tertius. Between tibialis cranialis in here, and extensor digitorum lateralis. Extensor digitorum lateralis, iya. Ya, oke. But remember, this is extensor digitorum longus. Ya. Extensor digitorum longus, extensor digitorum lateralis. Ya. Oke. This ya, venter medial and venter lateral. Venter medial and venter lateral. Two bellies. Oke. Venter medial belly called extensor digiti 3. Sometimes extensor digiti 3 propius. Short digitorum extensor propius. Sometimes. Ya. Attached to extensoria groove of the tibia. Sulcus extensoria. Ya. And tendo of insertio cause under proximal extensor retinaculum. Proximal extensor retinaculum. This is this structure. Sorry. This structure. Ya. Proximal retinaculum extensoria proximal. Oke. Look at the scheme, ya, lihat pada gambar itu. Kalau saya gambarkan, itu kan gambarnya Oke guys, sorry. I'm so sorry. My internet is stabil, so we terpental istilahnya ya, we jump. Oke, makasih Pak Ais sudah mengingatkan saya untuk mematikan. Ternyata ya memang benar wifi-nya tiba-tiba disconnect ya. Jadi kalau pakai ini kan ada kabel ada paket datanya ya. Oke, saya lanjutkan. Tadi itu sampai ke Longus ya. Oke. Nah, oh ini sudah ya. Sampai mana tadi? Ekstensor digitorum ya. Ya, sampai sini. Ya. Medial and lateral. Lateral itself. So, ventromedial is extensor digitorum longus, but medial, ventromedial, ya, ventromedial name extensor digiti 3 ya. Third digiti extensoria propria muscle ya. Passes through the extensor groove sulcus extensoria ostipia ya. Tendo insertio goes under proximal extensor retinaculum here ya. The function or retinaculum extensoria proximal and this is distal ya. This is proximal extensor retinaculum proximal and this is distal. Distal extensor retinaculum ya. Proximal and distal act to fix the tendo where they are true at the dorsal surface of the tarsus. Jadi tendo-tendo yang ada di permukaan dorsal ya, di permukaan dorsal dari osa tarsal itu difiksasi oleh retinaculum extensoria proximal and retinaculum extensoria distal. So this tendo not free but fixed. Okay. If the digiti flex ya, digiti flex kalau dia sudutnya extensor ya, sudutnya menyempit, maka tendo-tendo ini kan mungkin sekali terlepas kalau tidak diikat. Ya, kalau tidak diikat. Lateral belly is long, thin, and round. It is most lateral of the tendons passing under, ya, under proximal extensoria, ya, di dalam sini. Oke. Before we extensor digitorum longus, superficial and medial of this muscle we found fibularis tertius. Ya, superficial and medial. Remember, this muscle covered by fibularis tertius. Don't forget about that. Ya. So superficial we found fibularis tertius, medial of this muscle we found fibularis tertius 2. Deeply tibialis cranialis and extensor digitorum brevis. Brevis in here. Ya, brevis in here. And then lateral of this muscle we found fibularis longus. Ya. Oke, before we continue extensor digitorum lateralis, We go to Indonesian. Look at this. You can see? You can see ya. This is
Belum.
Peronius tertius, ya.
Oke, sudah
Oh,
bisa.
belum terlihat.
Sudah bisa tadi.
Oh, sudah.
Ya, mungkin lambat sedikit munculnya.
Ya, oke. Sudah terlihat ya?
Sudah ada.
Lihat, oke. Ini yang dua nggak masuk ini berarti ya. Nah, ini extensor digitorum longus. Oke, this is extensor digitorum longus. Remember, this is Peronius tertius. Don't forget. Peronius tertius, tibialis calcanealis, extensor digitorum, fibularis longus. Oke, fibularis, tertius, fibularis longus, extensor digitorum longus. Please be careful. If this side, this side we cutting and look at the potongan melintang, ya, cutting of this side, ya, this cut and look like this. Remember, this is tibia. Ya, ingat ya, ini tibia. It means this side is medial. Ya, medial. Don't forget. Medial. Oke. This is lateral. And tuberculous. Ya. Tuberculous. It means this plantar. Oke. Paham ya? So, remember. Ya. Remember. Caudally of the atau profundally of the tibialis cranial attached to tibia. So, number two, tibialis cranialis. Ya, number two, tibialis cranialis. And what this muscle? Number four. What the muscle? More dorsal. Ya, more dorsal. Dominant at dorsolateral. What is? Fusiform, long tendo, origo and insertio. What is? What is? What is? Peronius?
Tertius.
Peronius. Ya. Sarves, alhamdulillah. I like hear your voice, Sarves. Tertius, ya. Peronius tertius. Peronius tertius in here. So, this is extensor digitorum longum. This is. Okay. The question. Where is the ventral belly? Number 5 or number 3? Medial belly. Number 5 or number 3?
Number
Ya.
5.
Alhamdulillah. Cinli, Faiz, alhamdulillah. Yeah, that's right. Number 5. Please, Faiz, explain to me and your friend why you choose number 5 is ventral belly. Sorry, medial belly. Ventromedial. Why? Why you choose number 5 is medial belly?
Because the
Closely with close to the
close to tibia.
tibia. Yeah, close to tibia. Okay. So, number 5, ventromedial, medial belly or musculus extensor digiti 3. Ya, third. And number 3, ventrolateral or musculus extensor digitorum longus. Okay, you understand? Ya. So please don't jangan dihafalkan. Dihafalkan itu apa ya? Please understand it. Ya. If you not understand, you can answer the question correctly. So please, anatomy difficult if you menghafal. But if you understand, there is easy to you. Ya, you know, topografi anatomi. Remember, topografi anatomi. Ya, harus tahu siapa, di mana, kemudian ada apa di baliknya, ada apa di depannya, ada apa di belakangnya, ada apa di lateral, ada apa di medial. So, Anda harus tahu titik orientasinya. Ya, poin-poin interestnya harus tahu. Oke, kita lanjutkan. Ya. Now we talk about extensor digitorum lateralis. Ya, extensor digitorum lateralis lies on the lateral surface of the leg between the remainder of the extensor group and the flexor of the limb. So I ask the question to you. Ya, between extensor group muscle and flexor of the limb. So if we ask you, ya, why the tanda itu apa ya, Nak? The specific sign, ya, extensor, ya, the extensor digitorum lateralis is the extensor muscle group. Paham maksudnya ya? Apa yang menjadi ciri khas, specific sign, ciri khas extensor digitorum lateralis adalah kelompok otot extensor. Apa yang menjadi ciri khas? Apa yang menjadi ciri khas? You know, extensor digitorum lateralis is the extensor group. Are you agree about this? Yes, because the name is extensor. Ya kan? Karena namanya sudah jelas, extensor, maka dia adalah kelompok extensor. Sekarang yang jadi pertanyaan, di sini dikatakan bahwa extensor digitorum lateralis itu adalah batas yang memisahkan antara extensor, kelompok extensor, dan kelompok flexor. Berarti kita harus tahu, ya kan? Kita harus tahu apa yang menandai bahwa otot ini adalah kelompok otot extensor. Mungkin ada yang bisa menjawab, tolong saya. Ingat awal-awal tadi kita bicara. Jinli mungkin ingat, kira-kira apa jawabannya? Faiz? Surface? Nggak ingat? Remember. Ya, ingat. Saya tadi sudah sampaikan pada kalian bahwa tendon of this muscle ya act as extensor muscle. Ya. So, extensor digitorum lateralis, tendon of extensor digitorum lateralis lie at the dorsolateral aspect of the crus and then tarsus, tarsal, metatarsal, and digiti. That the answer. Ya. Jadi tendo-tendo dari kelompok otot ekstensor pasti ada di sisi dorsal dari crus, tarsal, metatarsal, digiti. Oke? Sudah dicatat? You note this? Oke. We continue. Ada pertanyaan? No? Continue. Ya. Superficialis, fascia and skin, superficialis of this muscle, fascia and skin, tibia vestigial head of the fibula deeply, ya, fibularis longus tibialis cranialis and extensor digitalis longus craniali, flexor digiti satu longus caudalis. Oke. Now extensor digitorum brevis. Extensor digitorum brevis is very small muscle, thin, located on the dorsal surface of the tarsus. Ya, more specific, they are attached to talus, ya, talus. First tarsal. Ya. Muscle composed of tendinous, not muscle fiber in here. Ya, tidak ada serat-serat ototnya. Jadi dia warnanya white, putih karena dia terdiri dari jaringan-jaringan ikat. Ya. Superficially of this muscle, we found tendon of the extensor digitorum longus. Please be careful. Tendon. Ya. Why? If we call musculus extensor digitorum longus, ya, musculus extensor digitorum longus, it mean we found the fiber muscle on there. Ya, di sana kita bisa lihat serat-serat otot. Sedangkan yang di permukaan tarsal itu sudah tendo-tendonya. Ya. Oke, you get it? Paham ya? Bagian dalamnya trochlea of the talus, trochlea tali, and large metatarsal bone. Large metatarsal bone. Okay, we continue. Now, muscle of the plantar. If dorsolateral act as extensor muscle, then you should know if the tendon attached to the plantar side, they act as flexor muscle. Ya, remember this. So, flexor muscle. Okay, we continue. Gastrocnemius. Gastrocnemius is a large muscle, fleshly muscle, composed medial and lateral head, ya, equal size, ya, equal size, bentuknya sama persis. Caudal aspect fusi, ya, we can distinguish, tidak bisa memisahkan pada caudal aspect, ya, lateral and medial head, ya, lateral and medial, in bahasa kaput medial and kaput lateral in bahasa. So please answer my question, Jin Lee. In here, you can show medial head or lateral head of the gastrocnemius muscle. Jin Lee, please answer my question.
Tidak, nggak bisa udah.
Medial or lateral? Jin Lee? Maybe Faiz?
Kedua-duanya dok.
No. Medial or lateral? Medial head, lateral, Jin Lee. Okay, why you answer lateral head? Because there is no tibia. You can look at that. Ya, nggak ada tibia yang bisa Anda lihat di situ. Itu adalah petanda ciri khas bahwa ini adalah lateral. Oke, paham ya? Axial surface of the two head is fusi. Except perkecualian near of the origin. Ya. Popliteal artery and vein and the tibial nerve pass between the non-fused portion. Jadi pada bagian yang tidak fusi itu nanti akan kita temukan arteri popliteal, arteri nervus, arteri vena popliteal dan nervus tibialis. Oke, abaxial is thin and flat. Ya, abaxial is thin and flat. Jadi yang bagian proksimal, aksial, yang bagian proksimal, ya, itu dia terpisah hanya pada bagian origonya, terpisah dia. Sedangkan pada bagian aksial, dia flat, thin, dan tidak bisa dipisahkan. Ya, aksial bagian distalnya. Please note this, ya, highlight this. Deep surface groove, ya, accommodate for flexor digitorum superficial. Oke, it mean, ya, flexor digitorum superficial covered by gastrocnemius. Only in the 2/3 2/3 portion, ya, 2/3. But the sepertiga distal, ya. If this, ya, this is ya, this is, ya. Ya, dia sepertiga distal, ya, sepertiga distal. Flexor digitorum superficial is a tendo and they are on superficial surface of the gastrocnemius. Jadi tendonya pada sepertiga distal dari krus ini, dia itu membentuk tendo dan dia itu keluar ke superficial dari tendo gastrocnemius. Tapi 2/3-nya dia terbungkus oleh gastrocnemius. 2/3 proximal covered by, ya, 2/3 proximally covered by gastrocnemius. Caput lateral and caput medial. Lateral head and medial head. Udah, paham ya, Nak? Mengerti ya? Oke. Gastrocnemius, now soleus. We finish first. Kita habiskan dulu, nanti kita lihat realitanya ya. Soleus, thin, ribbon-like, slip along cranial edge of the flexor digiti 1 longus. Flexor digiti 1 longus, it mean flexor digitorum profundus, ya, profundus, medial head insyaallah, or next, ya, musculus flexor digitorum profundus. And now it extends from the head of the fibula and inserts here on the deep surface. Nah, please notice this. Ya. It mean tendo of soleus fusi at the lateral head of gastrocnemius. Okay, remember, ya, tendo, the tendo, ya, tendo soleus fus at fustu lateral head gastrocnemius. Ya, so you know tendo lateral head gastroc, and then tendo medial head gastroc, and tendo of the soleus trimuscle, ya. Oke, trimuscle. Called. Nah, nanti kita akan bicarakan. Kita lanjut dulu. Look at this, ya. Tendo calcaneus communis, ya. The common calcaneal, ya, common calcaneal, flexor digitorum superficialis, gluteobicep, semitendis, and trimuscle of this. You call common calcaneal tendon or hamstring. But nah, tricepsure. Ya, tricepsure. You call calcaneal tendon or Achilles. Oke, you get it? Paham nak? Paham ya? If kalau nanti di ujian semisal ya ada gambar ini, kemudian ini saya lingkari seperti ini, ya, seperti ini, melingkar seperti ini, maka ini ditanya, what is? So the answer is what is? Hamstring?
Soleus,
No, hamstring or
Hamstring
Achilles?
tendon.
hamstring.
Yeah, that's right. Hamstring tendon. Ya, hati-hati ya. Be careful ya. Oke. Bisa dimengerti di sini? Bisa dimengerti? Paham ya? Saya lanjutkan. Flexor digitorum superficialis, ya. Tadi kita sudah sama-sama tahu embedded in the deep surface, ya. Embedded in the deep surface or covered, ya kan? By gastroc, ya kan? Gastrocnemius. At the distal 1/3, sepertiga distal, ya. Sepertiga distal. Tap to strong round tendon. Ya. First, awalnya cranial to the gastrocnemius, but lie superficial at the calcaneal tuber. So that is why this muscle called flexor digitorum superficialis. Ya, because the tendon lie at the superficial part. Ya, pada bagian superficial. Now, flexor digitorum profundus. Ya, flexor digitorum profundus. Flexor digitorum profundus divided into 3 muscle, 3 head. Complex, so complex. Lying on the caudolateral surface of the tibia. Medial head called flexor digitorum longus. Superficial head called tibialis caudalis. And deep head or profunda head, ya, deep or profunda head, flexor digiti 1 longus. Oke, please. Ini dengan ini satu paket, ya kan? Superficial, profunda, superficial, profunda, ya kan? Nah, mengapa? This is the theory ya. Flexor digitorum longus, fleshy origin on the lateral surface of tibia. This marker cause oblique across the tibia, oblique. Ya. Media head or kaput medial. Ya. Distal on third, ya, distal 1/3, sepertiga distal, thin, flat tendon over the medial surface of the hock in a canal in the medial collateral ligament. Okay. Superficial head we call tibialis caudalis, caudal tibia muscle, This a thin, flat muscle at the rear, please. Ya, please. Remember, this muscle, deep head. Ya, deep head. The muscle become tendinous at the proximal and distal 1/2. Ya, 1/2. Thin tendon join the large tendon of the flexor digiti. Large tendon. Thin tendon, tibialis caudalis, thin tendon, join with large tendon of the flexor digiti 1 longus at the tarsus. So, okay, this is deep head. A large and has a most extensive origin from the tibia. Cranial and caudal surface of this muscle concave. Accommodate. Please. Ya. Oke. The tendon lie in tubular structure we call manica flexoria. Ya, we call manica flexoria. So, please, manica flexoria we located at the plantar side. Ya. Plantar side. Okay, we continue. Please look at this. Ya. First, if you should know orientation point. What this? What this? This is. Look at this. What this? Tuber calcis. Ya. Calcaneal bone. Calcaneal bone. So, for plantar side. Okay? You get it? Okay. Now, please take attention. What muscle in here? Number 7. What muscle?
Gastrocnemius.
No. Just remember. Ingat, Cinli. Gastrocnemius. Itu. Superficialnya ada tendo apa? Yang across, ya, menyilang, yang tadi ada di dalam, kemudian menyilang. Apa? Flexor?
Flexor digitorum superficialis.
Ya, betul. That's right. So, number 7, tendo, flexor, digitorum superficial. So, what is?
Gastrocnemius.
Yap, tendo gastrocnemius. Betul. Ya. Betul. So, this area, ya, this area we call manica, flexoria. Please remember this tibia, yeah, and then this tarsal, and this is metatarsal. Okay, you understand? Now, take attention, ya, perhatikan baik-baik, ya, perhatikan baik-baik. Number 3, 4, and 5. Ya, 3, 4, and 5. Here, tendo, musculus, superficialis. And here, ya, flexor digitorum profundus. Ya, tendo, musculus, flexor digitorum profundus. 3, 4, and 5, ya, extensor digitorum profundus. Kok extensor? Astagfirullahaladzim. Flexor digitorum profundus. Now, ingat tadi saya mengatakan apa? Temannya superficial adalah profundus. Betul kan? Ya kan? Superficial head join and deep head. So, this is number 3. Number 3, pasti medial head. Or musculus what?
Musculus flexor digitorum.
Longus. Ya. Musculus flexor digitorum longus. Now, 5 and 4. Ya, 5 and 4. Number 5, nomor 5 itu ada melebar, kemudian di atasnya ada nomor 4, betul nggak? Di atasnya, it means superficially. So, number 5, deep head. And number 4, superficial head. Oke, paham ya? Number 5, flexor digiti 1. Number 4, tibialis caudalis. Ya, oke. Jadi kalau slide ini saya keluarkan, sudah bisa dibaca ya? Bisa ya? Jangan dihafalkan. Ini saya khawatir sama 2 temanmu ini. Akmal dan Arunes ini. Udah nilainya rendah, nggak hadir lagi. Ya. Padahal sepertiga dari soal pasti soalnya ini. Now popliteus. Ya, now popliteus. Popliteus is fleshly triangular muscle across the distal portion of the caudal aspect stifle joint. Ya. Dia sangat mudah. We can easy located of popliteus at the medial side. Ya, medial side. Nah, please remember, this is tibia. Ya, this is tibia. It means this medial aspect. Ya, tibia. This is popliteus. Ya, this is popliteus. Ini medial head of gastrocnemius. Ya. Poplitea, limfonodul poplitea. Ya. Kemudian Ya, oke. Oke. Ya. Nah, this is ya, this is ya. Tendo calcaneus communis or tendo hamstring. What muscle in here? Tendo dari otot apa aja? What muscle? Musculus, gluteus biceps. Ya, gluteus biceps. And then apa lagi? Semitendi. Ya. Apa lagi? Flexor digitorum.
Digitorum superficialis.
Yep, that's right. And musculus tricepsurae. Maaf, terputus lagi ya. Remember, tendo, musculus gluteus biceps, musculus semitendinosus, musculus flexor digitorum superficial, and tendo musculus tricepsurae. Tricepsurae. What muscle? What muscle? Apa saja? Otot apa saja yang membentuk tricepsurae? Faiz? Jawab Faiz. Apa aja? Soleus, ya, lateral head gastroc, medial head gastroc. Ya, soleus, lateral head, medial head gastroc. Itu yang menyusun tricepsurae. Oke, paham sampai sini? Ya, this is lateral. Ya, ingat ini lateral. Ya, dari mana kita tahu ini lateral? Tidak ada tibia. Fibularis tertius, fibularis longus, extensor digitorum longum. Ya. Extensor digitorum lateral, lateral digitalis extensor. Soleus, ya, soleus. Gastroc, lateral head, ya, gastro lateral head. Flexor digitorum lateralis, ya. Ya, oke. This is the structure in the lateral aspect of the crus. Okay. Now, arteria. You look at this part. Ya, aorta. Ya, aorta abdominalis in here. And then become iliaca externa in here. Iliaca externa become femoral arteria, femoral artery in here. Plantar side subvenous arteria. And then in here, ya, in here, arteri femoralis caudalis. After branch the artery femoralis caudalis, continue popliteal artery. In here, just in here. Ya, popliteal artery. Then popliteal artery branch to arteria. Ramus cranial, ya, cranial branch or arteri tibialis cranialis and arteri tibialis caudalis. Ya. Arteri tibialis cranialis at the distal and ya, this is tarsal become dorsal pedal artery or arteri dorsalis pedis. Dorsalis pedis. In here, ya. Anastomose, arteri dorsalis pedis, anatomose between arteri cranialis tibialis and arteri savena ramus cranial. This part. Ya. Oke, are you understand it? Paham ya? Jadi anastomosa bergabung, ya. Cranial tibial artery and cranial branch of saphenous arteria become dorsal pedal artery. Ya. Cranial tibial artery, ramus cranial branch of the saphenous artery, anastomosa become dorsal pedal artery. Okay. We continue. This is the vena. Please note, ya, please note. Arteri, ya, catat ya. Arteri dorsalis pedis menjadi arteri metatarsal dorsalis 3 di fasies dorsal metatarsal. Ya. Kelanjutan, continue, ya, continue. Ya, continue. Ya, continue. Oke. Now, this is, ya, intravena application. Ya, intravena application. The main nerve on cross region, nervus peroneus communis and nervus tibialis. Ya, nervus peroneus communis and nervus peroneus communis, ya, at the dorsal aspect. Ya. Nervus tibialis plantar aspect. plantar aspect. Nervus peroneus communis become branch nervus peroneus superficial and nervus peroneus profundus. You can learn more at the bahasa PowerPoint, oke? Ya. Nah, this is peroneus tertius. Ya. Peroneus tertius. What is? What is, Maskel? Apa? Peroneus longus. Ya. Peroneus longus. Ya. Ini peroneus longus, ya. Peroneus longus. And this is tibialis cranialis. Ya, tibialis cranialis. Oke. Nah, peroneus longus ya. Peroneus tertius. Nah, this is extensor digitorum longus. And this is medial head. Musculus extensor digiti 3. Ya, musculus extensor digiti 3. Oke. This is extensor digitorum lateralis. Ya. Digitorum lateralis. Nah, peroneus communis, nerve. Ya, peroneus communis. This is peroneus superficialis, ya, peroneus profundus. Ya, peroneus profundus. Ini tibialis cranialis. Oke, this is tibialis cranialis. Gastroc, ya, gastroc. Lateral head, ya, gastroc lateral head. Nah, I want to, saya ingin menekankan pada ini, soleus, ya, soleus. Lihat tendonya, ya. This is kaput lateral gastroc. Ya. What is? What, Maskel? The muscle embedded by gastrocnemius or covered by gastrocnemius. What's Maskel? Flexor?
Flexor digitorum superficialis.
Ya, betul. Flexor digitorum superficialis. Ya. And this is, ya, flexor digitorum profundus. Ya. Flexor digitorum profundus. Ya. Look at this. Ya, perhatikan ini. Ya. Dorsal, plantar. So, what is? Musculus
Musculus flexor digitorum longus.
No? Flexor or extensor?
Flexor.
Perhatikan. Flexor. Flexor di plantar. Ini ya, perhatikan ini. Flexor di plantar. Nah, ini ke depan. Ini ke dorsal. Berarti ini pasti extensor. Extensor. Digitorum. Sorry. Extensor. Extensor. Digitorum lateralis. Ya. Paham ya? Oke. Ya, baik. Good luck. Susah ya? So difficult.